Karlovačko has been bringing people together since 1854. But besides bringing people together, we're bringing innovations to our portfolio as well. Introducing Karlovačko LEDENO. We started with 2 reveal posts followed by story sets. As soon as things started warming up, we created mouth-watering content to cool everything down. At this point, it was already time for our new TVC to come out. Coincidentally, one of the hottest summers in history was in front of us, and we decided to use this information to our advantage. So we asked ourselves, how do Croats cool down?
Kad u lijepoj našoj zateku vrućine, neki se hlade lokalnim sredstvima, a drugi u traženju osvježenja ne biraju sredstva.
Ovog ljeta Karlovačko ti donosi novi, najbolji način osvježenja.
Dečki, sve u redu, samo se hladim.
Karlovačko LEDENO, ledeno dobro.
This question became the main brand message to follow in our communication. But let's start from the beginning. We made TVC teasers and pinned these reels on our profile to create an Instagram cover. Our social media strategy also included short, funny, and engaging stories. It didn't take long for our followers to join in and show their techniques of cooling down with Karlovačko. In the meanwhile, outside of the digital world, LEDENO ice bars were born. Because we wanted to help our followers fight the heat, we created 5 Facebook events. This turned out to be a big hit, with everybody talking about it. Striving to make content that is different, our creativity was unbridled. This resulted in a set of engaging copy and funny visuals. By asking ourselves about how Croats cool down, we discovered that the majority of them cannot afford a trip to the beach. Because of this, we decided to focus on them and asked them to tell us how they cool down at home. Long story short, our prize-winning game went viral. We broke a sweat the first few days reading all the comments and picking out the most creative ones. Using story formats with a swipe up to prize-winning game landing, we gained almost 2,000 applications in just a few days. The most important thing was that we kept a relaxed communication with our followers and gained their love. Even though this meant sometimes using Google Translate, our social media content reached targeted audience. By crafting distinctive and captivating content that aligns with the brand's message, we boosted our follower count, engagement levels, and the virality of our materials. We can proudly say that this year was f***ing awesome, or as we would say it in Croatian, ledenica. A kako se ti hladiš?